Now we are given 3 exponent x minus square root of 3 raised to x plus 4 plus 20 equals to 0. Alright, now when we're given square root of a is the same as a raised to half. Okay, now this side will be 3 to the power x minus, so we can bring the root sign. Okay, you can bring the half out. Okay, in the same idea here, this side is the same as 3 to the power half times that. So we have 3 to the power half times x plus 4 plus 20 equal to 0. Alright, now we can still write this one as 3 raised to x minus, so it's the same as 3 raised to x plus 4 on 2. Okay, plus 20 equal to 0. Now let's observe this side. From here we can write this one 3 to the power x minus, so 3 to the power, we have x on 2, okay, plus 4 on 2 plus 20 equals to 0. So this side is the same as 3 to the power x minus 3 to the power x on 2 plus 2 plus 20 equal to 0. Now from here, when we're given a to the power m plus n, the same as a to the power n times a to the power n. So we have 3 raised to x minus 3 raised to x on 2 times 3 raised to 2 plus 20 equals to 0. Now if you perform indices, you get this. Alright, okay, so we have 3 raised to x minus, so this side is 9 times 3 raised to x on 2 plus 20 equal to 0. Alright, now let's observe something here. Okay, so if we have this and we have this, okay, from here, now we know if we square this, okay, you'll get this. So let t be 3 raised to x. Okay, so if I square this and square that, this side will be 3 to the power x. Okay, so it means that if t equals that, t squared will be 3 to the power x. As simple as that. So we can do the substitution. This side will be t squared and this side will be t, so that to be quadratic. So we have t squared minus 9t plus 20 equal to 0. So this one is a quadratic. So let's look for factors. So 5 for 20 minus 5 minus 4 t squared minus, so this side will be 5t minus 4t plus 20 equal to 0. Now let's take t out here. T out. T minus 5 minus 4 out. T minus 5 equal to 0. So we have t minus 5, t minus 4 equal to 0. So we have a 0 product. So t minus 5 equal to 0, or t minus 4 equal to 0. So t is equal to 5 or 4. Okay. All right. Now, if t is 5 or 4, if t is 5, so let's write the condition. We have 3 to the power x equals to t squared. Okay. And we are saying t is equal to 5 or 4. All right. So I'll do the substitution. 3 to the power x. So this side will be 5 squared. That is 25. Okay. So to find x, I have to take log on both sides. So we have x log 3 log 25 log 25 on log 3, which is the same as log 25 to base 3. That is when t is equal to 5. Now let's do same to when t is equal to 4. So 4 squared 16. Okay. So this side will be log the power x equals log 16. So we have x log 3 equals log 16. So x equals log 16 on log 3. All right, so x equals log 16 to base 3. So we have the following answers. All right. All right, so that's that.